Have you ever dreamt of a life where you're the boss, where you dictate your own hours, and where your income potential is virtually limitless? Welcome to the world of making money online, a realm where dreams can become a reality. Today we're going to unravel the mystery of online wealth creation step by step using a free website. Picture this. You're sitting in your favorite chair, a warm cup of coffee by your side, and your laptop open. You're not scrolling through social media or watching videos. Instead, you're building your online empire, one click at a time. First, you start by signing up on our free website. It's a simple process. Just input your name and email, and voila, you're in. As you enter, you'll find a trove of resources and training materials, all designed to guide you through the process of making money online. Next, you dive into the training. These sessions have been crafted by experts who've already walked the path you're about to tread. They've made the mistakes so you don't have to. They've learned the tricks of the trade, and they're sharing them with you. From understanding the basics of online business to mastering advanced techniques, these lessons are your keys to success. Once you've absorbed the knowledge, it's time to put it into practice. Our website provides you with a platform to implement what you've learned. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or leveraging affiliate marketing, it's all possible here. One of the biggest perks of making money online is the flexibility it offers. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 grind. You can work when you want, from where you want. It's all about creating a lifestyle of freedom and financial independence. The beauty of this journey is that you're not alone. Our community of like-minded individuals is always ready to lend a helping hand, share experiences, and celebrate successes. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Claim your free Making Money online system today. Unleash your potential and take the first step towards a future of financial freedom and success. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is action. So take the leap and start your journey to making money online today.